Okay, hi guys. To answer a quick question that I get often about these plug and play modules for the cab clearance lights on the Ford Super Duty platform from 2017 all the way through 23 at the time of this filming, when put in default, it will flash all five in unison as one unit. And I get asked, can I still split them up even though I bought the plug and play? And the answer is yes. Underneath this Tessa tape, you'll find in our kit the opposing channel 2, orange and green. Now, the basic WAF module instructions, which are posted online, will show you a diagram on the input output for those two. Output is green, input is orange. And you basically will extend those after you unwrap them, extend them up into the headliner, and use those to repower light number 2 and 4. And that's how you can alternate this if you'd like on a plug and play kit. Slightly disassemble it, access the taped off blunt cut orange and green, extend them up into the headliner, go through all the extra labor of dropping down the headliner, isolating out lights number 2 and 4. But moral of the story is you don't need a different kit. You don't need anything else. This module is totally capable of doing the alternation if you want. We simply made it a plug and play like this because it was far easier, and the majority of people don't want to go through the labor of tipping down the front of the headliner and trying to access lights number 2 and 4 individually. So 9 out of 10 customers, this is how they're going to sell it, buy it and install it. But for the guys that want to put in the extra work, you can simply take it apart, access that, and go for the extra connection. So totally up to you. The kit will do everything. I hope that answers your questions on this cab clearance roof light flasher for the 2017 and up to 2023 at time of filming Ford Super Duty trucks.